Hi children, good morning. 4th class EVS, page 187, lesson number 15, beaks and claws. So beaks and claws, in which type of animals we can see? In birds. Beaks means you can see the birds have beaks, no? Like mouth and nose together, they have the beaks. Claws means their legs, they have the claws like this, no? Like nails, they are called as the claws. Now we are going to learn about the beaks and claws. So what the birds eat? They usually eat grains, seeds, fruits and flesh of animals. And birds, they do not have hands and teeth. They use their beaks to catch and eat food. So these beaks, they can tear, bite, chisel and crush the food. Birds have different types of beaks. The shape and size of the beaks depends on their food habit. So according to their food, what they eat, on that base, the birds' beaks will be of different shape and size. And they use their beaks to fight with their enemies and also to clean their feathers. So birds clean their feathers with their beaks and that is called as preening. Okay, now we are going to learn about the types of beaks. So the birds' beaks can be classified into following types. First one is cracker beak. So in which birds we can find this one? Sparrows, peacocks and pigeons. See, when you observe their beak, it will be short, thick and cone shaped. Yes or no? Like this, cone shaped. So with the help of this beak, they can crack ante pagalgottadam and open seeds and nuts. Next, shredder beak. Shredder beak means in which type of birds we can find? In eagles, hawks and owls. So these hawks or eagles and owls, what they eat? They eat the flesh of animals. They eat the flesh of animals and they have a sharp, strong and hooked beak. Hook-like structure it will be. Okay, so because of their, according to their food habits, the beaks will be. Now in the next page, spoon-shaped beak. Spoon-shaped beak, see. This you can find in a duck. It will be broad and flat so that it can catch insects and fishes from water. It will be helpful in catching the fishes or insects from the water. And this beak also help to find the food while digging up the muddy bottom of a pond. So rivers, చెరువులలో కిందికి మట్టి ఉంటుంది కదా, అది డిగ్ చేయడానికి, దాని లోపల ఉండే ఇన్సెక్ట్స్ని కానీ ఫిషెస్ని కానీ తీసుకోవడానికి దానికి కంఫర్టబుల్గా ఉంటుంది ఈ బీక్తోని. నెక్స్ట్, స్ట్రా షేప్డ్ బీక్. Straw shaped beak can be found in hummingbirds. So you can see how the beak is here. It will be long and slender beak. Okay, that works like straw to suck the nectar from flowers. చూడండి, మనం స్ట్రా వేసుకుని కూల్ డ్రింక్ తాగుతాం చూడండి, అలానే దిస్ బీక్ ఆఫ్ ద బర్డ్ హెల్ప్స్ ఇన్ టేకింగ్ ద నెక్టర్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఫ్లవర్స్ నుంచి నెక్టర్ని సక్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ అవుతుంది. Next, tweezer beak. Insect eating birds like warblers. See, this is the bird called as warbler. They have a thin and pointed beak. See, like it is pointed like pencil note, no? Okay. It help us to pick up the grains and eat. And spear-shaped beak. This we can find in kingfishers. And pelicans. And spear-shaped beak to catch the fish. It helps them to catch the fish. Swiss Army knife beak. Swiss Army knife beak. It is found in a crow. And it is a multi-purpose beak used to eat fruits, seeds, insects, fishes and other food items. This is a Swiss Army knife beak found in the crow. Chisel-shaped beak. It is found in which bird? Woodpecker. How it will be? Long chisel-shaped beak. In a woodpecker, you can find this type of beak. And it helps the bird to catch the insects present in the tree trunk with the help of its beak. ఈ beak తోని tree trunk ఉంటుంది కదా, tree trunk like this it will be, no? So it can remove the upper layer of the trunk and it can find the insects. It catches the insects and it can make a nest in that, and it can live in that trunk of the tree. Now toes and claws. So toes and claws helps the bird to walk, climb, hold food, swim and perch on branches. Perch on branches means అవి బ్రాంచెస్ పైన కూర్చున్నప్పుడు ఆ క్లాస్ అనేవి అవి ఆ బ్రాంచ్ని పట్టుకొని కూర్చుంటాయి. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏదైనా ఇప్పుడు పెన్ హోల్డ్ చేస్తే ఫింగర్స్ని ఇలా హోల్డ్ చేస్తాం కదా, అలానే ఆ బ్రాంచ్ని హోల్డ్ చేయడానికి ఇట్ యూజెస్ ఇట్స్ క్లాస్ అండ్ టోస్. Birds use their claws for self-defense. Claws means nail-like structures. Okay, nails, sharp nails it will be. It for self-defense means to protect itself from the enemies. And toes and claws are suited to their food habits and habitat. So here you can see the pictures of the toes and claws of a hen and eagle, crane and a sparrow. Now wading birds. Wading birds like cranes and herons have long legs and widespread toes which help them to wade through shallow water and mud. So the birds like crane, they have this long legs and widespread toes so that they can walk easily in the water. Flesh-eating birds like hawks, vultures and eagles have sharp curved claws called talons. They have very sharp claws better like this. So and these are called as the talons, and they help the birds to hold their prey, means to catch the prey, to food, tight and tear its flesh, and these birds catch their prey while flying. Now scratching birds like cocks and hens, they have different type, and they have strong legs with 3 toes in front and 1 at the back. They have hard claws to dig and scratch the ground. Did you observe how the hens scratch the ground with the help of their toes, and they find the seeds and insects from the ground. Now perching birds, these are the most diverse of all living birds groups. Perching birds includes like sparrows, finches, wrens, dippers, thrushes, starlings, warblers, crows, jays, wagtails, swallows, larks, martins and many others. And these have a unique food structure, means a completely different food structure that enables them to grip onto thin branches like this. They can grip, means they can hold the branch, twigs, slender reeds and flimsy grass stems. Their food consists of 4 long tin toes, 3 toes face forward and 1 face backward. See, 3 will be facing forward and 1 will be facing backwards. Now climbing birds, they have 2 toes which point upwards. The other 2 toes point downwards to climb and cling onto the trees. Woodpecker and parrot are climbing birds. Now swimming birds, they have the toes in front and 1 at the back. The 3 front toes are joined in the form of a web by a layer of skin. The webbed feet help these birds to swim. Ducks and penguins are the examples of swimming birds. In the swimming birds, their toes will be like this. They are connected with the skin. 3 will be in the front and 1 will be in the back. These are called as webbed feet, and they help them to swim in the water. Okay children, this is our lesson reading. Now we shall write the question answers of this lesson. First question, how do beaks help the birds? Answer, beaks are used to catch and eat their prey. Beaks are used to clean feathers. Mention any 3 types of beaks and give examples. Answer, the 3 types of beaks are cracker beak, example sparrow, shredder beak, example eagle, tweezer beak, example warbler. Next question, third question. Describe any 3 kinds of toes and claws in birds with suitable examples. First point, flesh-eating birds have curved sharp claws called talons. They are used to hold their prey tight and tear its flesh. Example, hawks, vultures. Next, second point, scratching birds have strong legs with 3 toes in front and 1 toe at the back. They have hard claws to dig and scratch. Example, hens and cocks. Third one, perching birds have 4 long tin toes, 3 toes face forward and 1 backward. Example, crows and finches. Fourth question, how are the class of swimming birds different from the wading birds? Wading birds have long legs and widespread toes, whereas swimming birds have webbed feet. Now choose the correct answers in the page 191. Dash has a multi-purpose beak. Crow, option C. Dash has talons. Eagle, option C. Wading birds have long thin legs, option C. Swimming birds have webbed feet, option B. Now fill in the blanks. Hummingbird has a straw-shaped beak. A duck has a broad and flat beak. A woodpecker has a long chisel-shaped beak. Birds have a beak instead of teeth. Birds like cranes and herons have long legs with widely spread out toes. Now match the following. Climbing birds, option B. 2 toes point upward and 2 downwards. Warbler, option D. Tweezer beak. Sparrow, option E. Cracker beak. Hawks and eagles, option C. Sharp and curved claws. Scratching birds, option A. Hard claws. Now true or false? We should write whether the statement is true or false. If the statement is false, we have to correct the statement. The birds hold their food in their claws. True. Parrots have strong legs to scratch the ground. False. Cocks have strong legs to scratch the ground. Swimming birds have 3 toes at the back and 1 in the front. False. Swimming birds have 3 toes in the front and 1 at the back. Hummingbirds have a flat beak. False. Hummingbirds have a long and slender beak. Okay, here in the activity zone, they gave the pictures of the claws of the animals and beaks of the animals, birds. We should identify and write the name. This is the claws of eagle, beak of a woodpecker, toes of a hen, and beak of a duck. Okay, children, complete these notes in your classwork. Children, don't play in sunlight, be at home and stay safe. Okay, children, have a nice day.